What's up guys, and today's video, I will show you how to get your boat on land. Shout out to Spence the Fence for the idea, not my idea, please don't copyright strike me. First go to the Maria and go on your boat. Then just follow my instructions. Go down here. But don't teleport anywhere. Click here. Then go back to land. Then go to your ocean map and click the bottom one. When you see this, click exit. Now go back to your boat and go back where you came from. Oh, nothing happened, okay. Then exit again. Now this looks weird, but then go to map and go the anywhere you want, but I highly recommend the town. And boom, there, it is the boat car 3000. And for some reason you can go through cars. And it's also very light. But yay, that's all for today's video, now get out.